Kluwer Arbitration provides resources for arbitration research. It contains commentary from expert authors and an extensive collection of primary source materials. To access this database, you must click through the proxy link in the Databases tab on the Law Library's homepage. You may also need to input your ASU Write credentials if you are off campus or not signed into the ASU system. The Law Library has subscribed to the Practice Plus module of this platform, which provides step-by-step guidance, comparative tools, and expert recommendations to help attorneys working in international arbitration. This database contains arbitration materials published by the ICCA, the International Council for Commercial Arbitration. The ICCA has compiled, translated into English, and edited many primary source materials, including case law, legislation, national reports, and Congress proceedings on international arbitration. In addition to ICCA materials, Kluwer has added books, journals, and a few blogs that Kluwer produces about arbitration and mediation.